Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111. Solve for x. And this is roughly 2 marks. Right. The good thing about this equation is that it's already factorized for us. It is a product of two brackets, that is 0. So it is either this bracket 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. There's no need to remove brackets here, expand, and get your standard form. It's already factorized. If you multiply these two brackets, we'll get 0. So it's either this bracket is equal to 0 or this bracket is equal to 0. And then we say 3x is equal to 6 after transposing 6 to the right hand side. And then meaning that x is equal to 2 after dividing by 3 on both sides of the equation. Or we can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. We get x is equal to negative 2. So these are the answers.